Good morning, boys and girls. We're going to go ahead and get started with our spelling test at this time. You should have a piece of paper out in front of you and numbered 1 through 20. We will have a bonus word for this week, so make sure you also have a space for the bonus word. And we will get started. Number 1 is acrobatic. 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 The woman and man were very acrobatic as they swung from rope to rope. Acrobatic. Acrobatic. Number 2 is gymnastic. 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 The young girl was part of the gymnastic team. Gymnastic. Gymnastic. Number 3 is fantastic. 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 It was fantastic when the boy and girl played well together. Fantastic. Number 4 is allergic. 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 I couldn't eat peanuts since I was allergic to them. Allergic. Allergic. Number 5 is carefully. 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 I had to carefully place the eggs on the top shelf. Carefully. Number 6 is wonderful. 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 Saturdays were wonderful because we got to sleep in. Wonderful. Wonderful. Number 7 is beautifully. 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 The girl wore her hair beautifully for the prom. Beautifully. Beautifully. Number 8 is graceful. 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 The dancer was very graceful on the stage. Graceful. Number 9 is shapeless. 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 The dress was very shapeless and was not form-fitting. Shapeless. Number 10 is painless. 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 The flu shot was painless this year. Painless. Painless. Number 11 is weakness. 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 The boy had weakness in his right leg after he hurt it the night before. Weakness. Weakness. Number 12 is thoughtful. 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 The student was thoughtful and brought a valentine for every other student. Thoughtful. Number 13 is nourishment. 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 The young kitten needed nourishment from its mother in order to survive. Nourishment. Nourishment. Number 14 is solemnly. 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 The father stood solemnly as he listened to the reason as for why the teenager came home late. Solemnly. Solemnly. Number 15 is priority. 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 Getting my homework done as soon as I get home is my number one priority. Number 16 is anniversary. 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 It was my parents' anniversary last night. Anniversary. Number 17 is pointless. 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 The child knew it was pointless to argue with his mother. Pointless. Pointless. Number 18 is motionless. 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 The dog laid motionless, sunbathing. Motionless. Number 19 is absurd. 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 The teacher listened to the absurd reason for why the student didn't have their homework. Absurd. Number 20 is athletic. 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 The teenager was very athletic and the star of the team. Athletic. Athletic. Okay, and then your bonus word for today is metaphor. 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 A metaphor compares two things without using like or as. Metaphor. Alright, if you need to go back and rewind and replay any of those words, go ahead and do so now. Make sure your name is at the top of this paper and turn it into tray number 1 for me, please. Thanks, guys.